I bought all the junk in this box for $3. And that's all I could see. It's all the way at the bottom. Let's dump it out and find out what's in there. Alright, what's in the box? First, giant steel pipe. A weird red rod. Or a flat piece of metal. It's got a little hook on it. I don't know. Alright, let's see what they threw in the box. It's a set of 4 paring knives. 2 of them are left. Little blue and green paring knives. Okay. It's a cool little green handle. Got some safety glasses. Alright, it's a car part of some variety. Don't know what it is. Another car part. Mexico. Oh. It's a window switch for something. Okay. We got a toggle bolt. New in package. A red rag. Gasket. Okay, this is gross. It's got grease in it. I'm not sure. There's a rubber on there. It appears to be attached, so who knows. We got a rusty scraper. Can be cleaned up. Tread depth gauge. Not sure how that works out. Okay. Guess you would measure the depth there, but then how do you get back up here to this measurement? I'm not really sure how that works. Bolts. A little bit of hose with a hose clamp. Some tire plug goo strips. There's a little bulb. All right, let's see. One of those fillers for Freon, I think. Yeah. Some little E-clips. Variety pack, it looks like. An old gas cap. Looks like all the junk stuff they threw in here from the shelves. Parts to a flush kit. A O'Reilly spark plug gapper tool. Got some spray paint. It is semi-gloss black. It's in there. Pretty full feeling. All right, another car. A little something. No clue. Definitely used. And this is a thermostat or something. All right, little 3/8 socket rail. Nail. Another one of those weird things. You know what? Maybe those are for the brakes. Slide pin for brakes, but these are pretty gross. Some JB Weld black. Oop, that lid just snapped off. But some dielectric grease, connector grease. Okay. Another one of those gaskets. That is a fake lug nut, decorative for something. Part of a square. Well, it's Craftsman. It's a handle. I feel like something was supposed to go on the end of it. But, alright, here's an old handle for, it's broken, like a faucet. Another scraper. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a radon system monitor. Okay, I don't know. Wooden handle with suction cups on either end. It's a brand new Gates hose. 19707. Oh. Well, of course, since all this is sticking to it, I assume this is a magnet on a arm here. Doesn't go in or out at the moment, but angled head. So that's pretty neat. Some spark plugs. Looks like there's 2 left in here. And they are new. TR55 1GP. It's a cover for a JL Audio something. Tiny wooden pencil. Another type of those gooey pins. A light bulb. Another hose with a hose clamp. Huh. This is one of those brake tools. Looks like it's been beat on. But it's for the hydraulic brake calipers. And these will click into spots on the caliper, and then you hook your 3/8 in there, and you just screw it back in so you can change your brakes. Another pin. More JB Weld. There's the red half. Some ultra black with no lid. It's hard as can be. High temp gray. Yeah, it's pretty hard too. All right. Caution. Lubricating grease, maybe for brakes or something. All right. Flat steel with a bolt welded to it. Not sure. A broken T-handle driver. So, all right, another one of those weird pins. Hose clamp, plastic something. Outlet adapter. OEM tools, another socket rail. Alright, this is kind of neat. It is got clamps on one end, and it's a push button. It says lift on it. So I'm sure this triggers whatever closes the connection on whatever these are clicked or hooked to. So it's got a nice cord on it. So that might come in handy. Hose clamp. A Hot Wheel that the paint's coming off of. Looks like it got some kind of fluid on it. Blade. Another pin. More of the flush stuff. Pair of 3M safety glasses. Got a Stanley knife. That's cool. Oh, that's what's going on. It's missing the sleeve. Makes a lot more sense now. So, found the second one. I've used these and it just wasn't clicking, wasn't working. So yeah, it should have a metal sleeve like that. Valve stem tool. Half of a 3/8. Some more JB weld. I think I get the idea of how they fix things. They did fix things. Okay, here's multiple packets of the same grease, so I guess they never greased their brakes. Can't tell what it says, but it's a little one of those locks where you like for a cabinet door, so it clicks closed. Some hardware, license plate hardware it says. Looks like a valve for a faucet or something. Couple of lug nuts. Big old hex bolt. Flashlight. Doesn't turn on, but it doesn't feel like it has batteries in it. Nope, no batteries. It says Sunbeam on it. Little switch. Another wrench, 6mm that the ends broke off of. Air chuck. A couple of tiny screws with thread lock on them. Weird little hose. A variety of nuts, bolts. There's one more. Looks like the end of a file or something. It broke off. And, whoops. Old spark plug wire. Alright, so definitely a box of trash. Useful things. Let me sort it out here. Okay. I think this part in the middle here, pretty much the useful stuff out of there. The rest is pretty much trash. These socket rails, kind of cool. This is a cool old magnet that I have not seen this style before. Wasn't there yet? There's two of these scrapers. I can clean those up. I think this button push thing is going to be cool. That's pretty nice. So, worth $3 for the adventure, yeah. I don't know that I would have paid $3 if this stuff was laying in front of me, but it is interesting. All right, thank you. All right, let's try and clean these up. I'm going to use my die grinder here. Put these little pads on here. So here's this little style thing that's in the shaft there. And we got different. This one's a rust remover for heavy duty. I'm probably going to try it on that. There's a flapper disc. There's a 60 grit. That also works well on this. And these are for a little lighter. I got two different kinds. They're just gritty material that should work well in this. So start up and just fire it up and then just grind it off like you're polishing it. So you can see that, made quick work of that. It's rust pitted and stuff there, but I mean, you're going to use that as a scraper, so once you clean up the edge. So we'll do the other side. Alright, so same pitting on this side, but it's going to be completely functional. Alright, my battery died, so now it's got a high output one on there, but same thing. This might work on this one, but I want to try, I think I'm going to try this one first. This was mainly just surface rust. This one feels like there's paint and a lot of rust. So this one is a lot thicker. You can feel when you hit the chunks of paint. But this one's actually less pitted than the other one. Alright, so that one cleaned up pretty good on that side. We'll get this other side. That right there is solid paint smear in there. So there we go. It's pretty good. I'm going to switch back to this other one. Kind of give it a... I think this one will get better in the cracks there. All right. So those turned out pretty good. They're not beautiful, but they never are after you start using them. This one's a lot thicker. This one's decent. It's a Warner. I can't see this one. But the blade's pretty, it's thick, strong. Need a little more clean up on that edge. There you go. Ready to get some scraping done.